What's going on, everybody? Today, you might notice something. The dirt bike's kind of apart in pieces. But today, we're gonna put it all back together. So, I got a lot of new parts. I got a full plastic kit. These are holders for the front brake line. Another holder for it. I'm missing one of my exhaust springs, so I ordered a kit for that. Radiator cap that tells the temperature. I had a new air filter. So this thing looks very clean. This thing was all dirty. I'll put some pictures in how dirty it was. I also got new plastic bolts kit. I put new vent lines on the carburetor because they were overdue. It's been about a good 2, maybe more weeks. Got this radiator bent in. Cleaned up the pipe. First thing is the old carburetor. Here's the plastics, or the bolt plastics. The slide won't go down.
Backwards?
Yep. It worked. Javers is not here with us because he's in the West Virginia.
Brake pads on this thing are probably brand new.
Yeah.
Rode it like an hour's worth since you put them on.
That's true.
Put your case saver on. Yep.
Subframe. Isn't that something? Subframe broke. So we weld it and now it don't line up. Oh, now it does. Alright, that's all tightened up. Bolted tightened up all the way, and I had to take this back off because I forgot this back piece. And the vent lines go here. So, next, I'm going to put these exhaust springs on. See, I'm missing one. Well, that wasn't that bad. The old pipage. Holy smokes, that cleaned up nice. Right, let me show you the kit. That piece right there is this. So, that piece is this right here. Looks good. Brand new O-rings. See the piston right there. Oil's leaking out of it. Alright, so I got these on. We got the new O-rings and springs. Thank you, Griffin, for cleaning up my pipe. Griffin, tighten this. Now, it don't move. Well, before me, the other person, he just cut these brackets off because he didn't want to deal with this. This one had no bolt in it. This one had a bolt. No, this one had a bolt in it, but it was all rattly and everything, and it didn't work. It's all cracked and stuff because of them snowmobile stuff. The only thing I think left is plastics. I think that's it. Figure out something with my kickstand. I wanted to get these, but one of these costed as much as both of these costed. Well, I think we're gonna figure it out in the morning and do something about it. Only thing I might put the sides on and call it a night. So alright. If we do, see you then. Or it might be the next day. Alright, so it's the next day and everything. It's not night no more. So we put the front plastic or front fender on and the number plate. Oh, they scratched. Number plate on. Griffin cleaned up my tires for me. And he cleaned my shock up a little bit. So yeah. And now the fenders match the color of the handguards. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Comment down below what you guys want us to do next, and see ya. Bye. Oh yeah, I bought a boat. Next video.